and welcome to this tutorial on Python. Today I'm going to be showing you how to remove hidden data from pictures. So about a month ago I showed you how to extract secret and hidden information from a simple picture of an apple. This was the first search in our the Google when you type in apple JPEG, and I downloaded that picture and then we ran a code similar to this, and we extracted all sorts of information. In fact, this was our output. We managed to find the make and model of the camera used to take that picture, the software used to edit the picture, the date and time the picture was taken, and also a multitude of other bits and pieces of information, including various settings of the camera itself. Now, it's worth pointing out that the level of information available depends heavily on, firstly, the camera used to take the picture, also the software used to edit the picture, and also where you upload your picture onto. So it is scary how much information is available on social media platforms. Just take a picture from there and you'll see what I mean. So this time round I'll be showing you how to remove all that information from the picture. So what I'm going to do is we're going to be using the PIL module again, and then we're going to be clearing all that information in a very easy and simple way. So let's get to the code. So like before, we'll be using the PIL module, and what I've done is I've imported them, the same thing before, imported pil.exif tags as p and pil.image. And the next thing I'll do is I'm going to save two of the same pictures that we had before, and we're going to have like a nice before and after situation going on. So our first image will be the before, and our second image will be after. And how I sort of open them within the Python shell environment is I've typed in pil.image.open, and then the second image and then the third image of the same apple that we had here. The next thing I want to do is we've going to create our sort of dictionary file, because when you run the code like we did last time, you'll get a series of numbers with other numbers next to them, and you will have no idea what they mean, and that's what this tagdict does. This tagdict downloads a series of those metrics and the descriptions to those numbers. And then what this second piece of code does is it extracts all that metadata from the image itself. And what you can do then is you can write extra code or use Excel or other sort of analytical tools and softwares to then link the dictionary to the tags, and then you'll get you'll get a sort of value, a description, and the amount and quantity of that value, exactly like we've done here. So how do you remove that? So I spent ages trying to write code to remove all sorts of bits of information and then sort of save it again as an image. However, accidentally on purpose, I managed to find out that if you just save it within the PIL module, then that automatically wipes all the metadata from the image. So it's very easy. All we need to do is just save the image again using the PIL module. And that's exactly what we're going to be doing. So let me just run this code. So this will have a nice before, see what you get. So notice on my output here, we get all sorts of information. We get sort of the background colors going on here. We also get all these metrics here. You know, like I said earlier, we have this sort of number with another number corresponding next to it. And so this is all the information we've managed to extract from that image of the apple, like we did last time. So how you remove that is you then simply type in the second image, the image you want to do, and then you just save it and then type in the sort of directory sort of file path of that file, ending it with your name of the file and the extension number, and put that in quotations. And then if you print it, you will get you'll get none here. But if we then I see, because we had this. So let me just get rid of this, and then let me clear this to avoid confusion. So then if we print this, we will get none here. And just to make sure that that is exactly what we get, we're going to run this exact code up here, except for this new image 3, which is our saved image here, is our after image here. And so if we run that again, we actually get a none type error because there is nothing in that field. There's nothing attributed to that field. So what we're printing out is nothing. And so you get a none type error. And that is proof that all that image, all that data that we had up here is no longer there in the picture. So now we have a clean picture of an apple. So before we had all that information, we had all this information here, and then after we have actually a none type error because there's literally nothing in it. So I hope you've enjoyed that tutorial. It's a very quick one, and just to show you how you can get rid of all that information. And bear in mind that this information will be wiped from now. However, when you upload it probably onto the internet, some information may still be added after that. So just bear that in mind. Thanks very much for watching. Subscribe to my channel, and I hope to see you next time. Thanks very much for watching.